Still searching for that perfect recipe to cook for dinner this evening? Well, we got one for you here at A Side Guy Cooks With, ground beef and cabbage bake. So let's get started. Let's prepare the ground beef. Let's add the cabbage. Set your timer for 18 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Cabbage has been in cultivation for thousands of years. Early Romans consumed cabbage for its health and healing value. 17th and 18th century explorers stocked cabbage in their ship's stores for their crews to eat. Rich in vitamin C, it was known to stave off scurvy. That looks great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's plate up a portion of this ground beef and cabbage bake. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Now that's really good. The ground beef, cabbage, and cheddar cheese are a great combination. The bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, and spices bring everything together for a delicious and satisfying dish you will absolutely enjoy. Leave your comments and or questions below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like dinner is ready. Stay with us. Watch the next video.